All right, let's continue on our coding part. And then I just noticed that okay, I got a warning here about the text view. Okay, so when I click this warning sign, I noticed that it says that the unit I used to the unit I used for the text size. I used the wrong one. I use DP instead of SP. So let me quickly make that change. Okay. All right. Okay. So again, scalable. Okay. The pixel is better. Okay. So let me tab away. All right. Okay. And then before we do the coding, okay, we need to set up some ID for our controls over here. Okay. So the button over here, okay, I might call it BTN, okay, to set the date, okay, and then the text view here, okay, so let me use the component tree, okay, so the text view here, okay, I need to refer to it later, okay, so let me call it text view, okay, reservation, okay, reservation, okay, reservation, okay, all right. And then I believe there will be all. So let me switch back to the Java source code. Let me increase the screen, okay, and let me increase the font size, screen font size as well. All right, there are a few variables okay, I will be needing to use. Okay, so let me declare. The first one will be the text view. Okay, so this will be this refer to the reservation text view. Okay, reservation. Okay, yes. And then okay, I also need an instance of the current calendar. Okay, so calendar equal to calendar class dot get instance. Okay, so again, this will get the user's current calendar. Okay, depends on independent of I mean yes, it depends on the time zone. Okay, the user is using the app. Okay, and then okay, I also need okay, later on I also need okay to create an instance of the DatePickerDialog box. Okay, so let me declare okay, a variable okay, like this. Okay, and also okay, I need instance of the DatePicker okay, dialog dot on data set okay, listener. Okay, so let me declare the reference variable first. All right, then get in the onCreate function. Okay, I'm going to relate. Okay, I'm going to set up variable okay, to relate to the button okay, on the layout file. Okay, so let me try this. Okay, button. Okay, and BTN. Well, I guess I have it already. No. Yeah. Yeah. So let me try it. Okay, BTN. Date. Okay, equal to find view. Okay, find view by ID r.id dot BTN. Okay. Yeah, so it is the ID okay, I said a moment ago. Okay, so I remember it wrong. Okay, and then cast the type get to button type. The next one will be text view get reserve equal to okay, find view by ID r dot ID dot okay, text okay, text view get reservation. Okay, that's correct. And then again, make sure okay, we cast it to the right data type. Okay, so this will be the text view data type. All right, and then okay, we're going to create an instance of the date set listener. Okay, so date set listener okay, equal to new okay, date okay, date picker, okay, dialog on data set listener. Okay, there you go. So you can see that immediately it will set up all the required methods and functions for us. I'm not going to set up the, I'm not going to add a code, okay, as of now. Okay, so I will just keep it there, okay, blank. And then I'm going to create an instance of the date picker dialog box, okay? So, okay, let me try this one, okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah. Okay, you will be inside the buttons. Okay, set on click listener. Okay, so let me try this. Okay, button dot set on click listener. New. Okay, and then view. Okay, that set on click list on click listener. Okay, there you go. And then you can see that there is a method we have to implement. Okay, so click the warning sign here and then select the option here, implement methods. And then there's an on-click method we can use. All right, and then over here, I'm going to declare a new instance of the date picker dialog box. So new, and then the object type will be date picker dialog. And then there are a few parameters we have to set it up. The first one will be the main activity. So this will be the this activity, and then the next one will be the date set listener. So we have one created already, and then next one will be the year, the current year. So let me try 2020, and then let me put one over here. And then let me put one over here. So now we'll see that we thought the month value of integer of 1 represent January. It will surprise you that is not. And also but the day of the month, when we put 1, then we think that it will be the first day of the month. All right, so I think so far so good. For the rest of the code, we will take care of it later. Okay, we'll take care of it later. So let me run the app. Let me run the app. Okay, yeah. So this is the emulator. But if I click the button here, nothing happened. Okay, yeah. So let me run the app. Let's see how it goes. So the app is loaded. Displayed. So now if I click this button over here, then I expect that, let me minimize this one a little bit. And then I expect that this on-click listener will be executed, and then the on-click method will be called. Then we'll create the instance of the date picker dialog box. Okay, yeah. And then so let's see whether it will do that for us or not. Okay, nothing. Again, yes, I have created an instance, but then I have to call the show method. Okay, my bad. So let me try it again. Okay, this is the emulator on the side over here. Okay, so let me run the app again. So it displayed, and then let me click the button. So pretty neat. Okay, the date picker dialog box showed up. But then if we check the year, 2020, and then we double check our source code over here, yeah, it's kind of okay, right? Okay, 2020 okay, is good, but then okay, the month okay, it shows February. It is not January. Okay, so okay, this one okay, actually I made a mistake when I first do the coding on this type of parameter. So for whatever unknown reasons, the first month in the Android app will have the value of integer value of 0. Okay, so you might want to change to 0. And then the day of the month, you start with 1, which is correct. Okay, so again, don't ask me why. Okay, don't ask me why. All right, I think that but then if I pick a date and click OK button, nothing is going to display on the text view over here, indicating um, which day of the month and the year I picked. Okay, so we will take care of the part next. Okay, so let me stop the video here. Okay.